Hi, my name is Wed, and I'm going to show you a free online grammar checker that can always help in the future or even now. So first of all, I study in accounting and management at College Ansig. Accounting is the language of business. Without accounting, you can't know which product were successful. And I can tell you, in this program, there's a lot of complicated words. And even no matter what is your field of study, trust me, this website will help. So, if you want to go to the website, there's two ways. On the top of the screen, you can see in the middle top of the screen, click on the new tab. On the address bar, you write the URL. This is virtualwritingtutor.com. There you go. You're on the website. There's another way to go on the website. You can just click on the URL that I'll leave here. So there it is. You can see on the top left corner of the screen there's the logo. On the top right corner of the screen there's the icons. Just below the logo and the icons there's the navigation menu that can help you to know more about the website. And under this, there's this gigantic box. There's a text area. That's what we're going to use today. So, for example, I'm going to write a sentence. A bank is money borrowed from, a bank loan is money borrowed from a bank. I'm going to click on this button, check grammar. As you can see, there's the word count 9, the error count 1, and the error density there's 12%. And there's the mistake. The article is missing before the noun, a bank or the bank. And there's a suggestion. So that's the right way to write it. A bank or the bank, not at bank. To just correct the mistake. Check grammar again if you want it. And there it is. No error. And that's it. This website can also help you to pronounce word the correct way. For example, if I want to know how to pronounce this word, you can see on the right of the text box, there's a microphone. You just click on it, and then as you hear it, budget. So that's how you pronounce the word. And that's it. That's how you use the website. I hope this will help you, and thank you for listening.